Hey guys, today we're gonna be cooking with a special guest. It's my grandma.
Hi.
So yeah. Waiting for the water to boil.
A watched pot never boils. We have to look away. You tell them what you're making.
You do it.
We are making macaroni and cheese, and there's a secret ingredient, and we're gonna have to pause because you can't know the secret ingredient. Sorry.
Okay, so here's the thing. You see, I don't really know how to pause the video.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well. Alright, so the water's boiling. What do you do next?
Whenever the water boils, like with big bubbles, we just splash it around. Alright, is it good for the cheese? Is it good for the mac?
Almost.
Okay.
We don't have any regular oil, so. Okay. Open these two.
Okay, timer mode. Here, I'm gonna put the spoon right here. Alright. I'm gonna open the first one in front of the cam. Alright.
Let's unbox the macaroni and cheese.
Here, take this part. Here says timer mode. Okay.
Here's how we're supposed to do it.
No, I
Put
do
your
it
thumb in.
timer mode. Oh, I can't do that. I should do timer mode. Hold on. Hold on. Got it. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. There we go.
Take the cheese out. Put it to the
Cheese
side.
is out. Okay. Now next,
Take the other
take
cheese
the
out.
other cheese.
Okay. Dump them on in.
Oh, we dumped it now?
Yep.
Okay, here's the satisfying part. Here. That was scary. Okay. Alright, next box is deal for death. Hold on. Okay. Death row.
National Records. West Side. West Side. Okay.
What is this?
That's Heroes Hot Chocolate.
Where do we put this?
In a hot chocolate bag.
Even we put this in there too?
No.
Oh man.
I was just showing it to you. Okay, get your spoon and stir.
Okay. Spawn.
You should know that you're going to be filmed.
Star. 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 It's hot. Star.
Gotta give it a big stir.
I'm scared it's gonna flow.
Okay, so you're going to turn it down because you don't want to boil them the whole time. So turn it down to like 5.
5? Where's 5? Alright. Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right between 4 and 6.
Yay! I'm not
Okay.
dumb.
Wicked. Okay. Now we gotta put on a timer for like 7 minutes.
Oh.
You guys can be in the video some more. Shelly wants to be in the video.
Oh, okay.
Did any of y'all drink my
No.
Mountain Dew?
chill. Chill. Anyways, you're not in the camera, buddy. Wait, I see you in the camera.
I didn't see.
No, I don't anymore. Nah. Bro. Get out the camera.
Who set the timer? Anybody?
My phone's dead.
No, I didn't. I'm recording.
Okay, I'll set it for 5 minutes.
Dude, you have it set up. There's nothing to record. It's just sitting there.
I know. I'm making them sit down.
So Lorenzo, the first
Bro.
edit comes free, but the second one is $2.
Okay. Wait, what? No.
$1.
Yeah, Aiden.
$1.
No, I only have a 5. So they don't think I'm lying. Look. Look, I only have a 5.
Okay, I have a deal. If you give me that 5 for the next edit, I will edit for you for your next 10 to 20 videos.
Okay, fine. Nope. I don't know if I want to do this. I don't know. Ow.
I swear I'm telling the truth.
Okay, well, this is recorded. So if you lie, I'm going to tell them your YouTube name. And I'm going to tell them to unsubscribe because you promised, and if you break that promise, they're going to unsubscribe and go on so you lose subscribers in a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on. I don't know if I'll make the deal. I'm going to go get the turtle. I'm going to show you.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Shelly? Yeah, you are.
Guess what finger this is? Guys, I can't edit
Okay, so you guys, this is Michelle. And not even 1 year old total. Okay. I'm gonna go bring her somewhere. Okay, I have to wash my hands so I don't get a disease. It's
Empty out
storming.
your pockets. I don't need all that.
Man,
Have you, Millie?
hold on. What? Empty out your pockets. I need all that.
Dude, have a deal.
Well, it seems to be a hole in your rabbit. Well, what was that stutter? I meant to say
I will be adding that
What
into
it?
the video.
what it. What?
I will be adding that into the video.
Then,
Okay, I'll cut it out. In the video.
no, because then you're going to cut this part. I don't know.
You'll still have a video as proof. It just won't be uploaded.
What do you mean it won't won't be uploaded.
I'll post the edited version, and then the normal video will still be in your camera roll.
Camera roll. No, don't haunt me. Wait, rock, paper, scissors. Bro, stop. No. No. Yeah. 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 No, wait. Let's do this in front.
No, I'm not trying to get my hands on it.
You put your hands right here. It's still away. Come on.
No,
Just do it.
you got $5 an hour.
No.
Then I'm not doing it.
Empty wallet boy. No.
Not what you call me. Yeah, that's what. Not what you call me. Not what you call me.
No. Stop. Stop. Good boy. No. Bad boy.
Gotcha. Let's go. Hey man, let's go give me that $5.
I'm gonna hit him with the spoon. Get over here. Spoon. The 5-minute timer's done.
Okay, this is the part where you're gonna need an adult.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's
While I'm doing this, I'm draining the pasta. Turn the oven, turn the thing down, the burner down to like 2.
2. Alright, it's on 2, I'm pretty sure.
Now we're gonna make our sauce. Do we have any milk?
I think as best as me. Let me check.
We only
have
have True Mood chocolate milk. Well, we can just use butter.
Okay. Well, that sucks. Here. Wow. The video's already at 13 minutes.
Go stir this into the noodles. Be careful, don't drop it. Take it. Oh, okay, go chunk it into the pan.
Ew, I've always wanted to. Ah!
This is the part where you need the bowl. We're rinsing out the noodles with hot water.
Okay.
Lots of formation.
You don't have that brain rot, okay?
I don't.
And there is no such thing as. Oh wait,
Turn the
never mind.
burner off, please.
Like off.
Off, yeah.
Wait, I will turn it off. Off.
Good.
Boom. Oh no.
Okay, after this, it's gonna be your turn. Okay.
There's 2 men lost.
All right, so take your 2 packets of cheese.
Okay.
We left a little tiny bit of water in there because we don't have any milk.
Okay.
Take your cheeses and put them in there.
Okay. I'm gonna do one. Ow.
I usually do one, I stir it, and then do the other one.
I'm just gonna do one and then do the other one, then stir.
What happened to all the ice?
Oh
That's the dumbest ice machine ever. Every ice machine I ever grew up with was constantly full of ice every time you went to it. This one makes like 18 ice cubes.
no.
Literally,
Okay, when I put this.
we had the thing full of ice, and then all of a sudden it's gone.
I haven't even used any ice. I drink ice water from the fridge.
Okay, next.
From a cup. From a cup.
Yeah, but you still use the ice.
Huh? I don't think I use the ice.
That's the point of ice water.
Ooh.
To use ice.
Okay, now.
Well, I have a tooth that hurts, so I don't like to really cold water.
Alright, now what?
Sure.
Store.
Make sure you don't get your hand near the burner. You gotta really stir it. Try to get the little cheese chunks evaporated into silky smooth cheese.
And then I gotta eat it all. And
No,
I
you
get
don't,
credit.
fatty. I'm
You
sorry.
don't, fatty.
I'm sorry.
Nah,
Don't
nah,
kill
nah.
me.
You want me to shove your face into
no,
there?
No,
That's
no.
worth a thought.
I'm sorry.
Good boy.
Sorry, but not sorry.
Take your spoon and chunk it real hard,
Oh.
like this.
Ah.
Shit. Well, maybe not that hard. Okay, now
Wait, I got it.
Now do another quick stir.
Okay.
Do you want any pepper or anything in there?
Nah.
Okay.
I'm good.
Then you can serve your people.
Yay. Sloppy Joe's ready.
What?
Sloppy Joe's ready. Okay, it's not hot. Force way to sloppy. Alright.
Okay.
Okay, next. Okay. Wait, I need storage a little.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta get the chunks out a little more. Do you want me to show you something my grandpa showed me?
Sure.
You take this. Oh, you need a cup.
A cup. They're in there.
Oh, I'm not gonna use it.
Okay. What water is that?
Just a little water. And watch how much better it works. My grandpa showed me that. And you can do it back and forth. That'll break up the little cheese balls.
Okay.
You want me to put some on your plate for you?
Yeah.
I'll get some good cheesy ones.
Nice.
Hold it up, it's better. Yeah.
Ah.
Alright, you want any more?
One more scoop. Next up for Sloppy Joe. Where's the plates? I put them in equals right here.
They fell.
Aww.
I like what now? It's
Oh,
alright.
somebody's having wet mac and cheese.
Yeah, somebody's gotta have a wet plate.
A few people.
Okay. Okay, you turn the video off now?
Yeah. Bye, guys.